Welcome to my Relish Moments and thanks for joining me here today. Today I'm here to share a very quick and yummiest dessert, a no-bake Black Forest dessert, cups. So let's start today's kitchen therapy. In a medium-sized bowl, first we will add some cream cheese, some double or whipped cream, vanilla sugar or vanilla essence, some crushed chocolate cookies, add a layer of cookies first, as much you like. Now layer the cheesecake filling on top. And now some jam. And finally a cherry on the top. Garnishing this with some dark chocolate. You can use any chocolate you like. And a little green just for aesthetics. Refrigerate for 2 to 3 hours before serving. Now preparing rest of the cups. Hope you will like this recipe as much as we do. If you really like this recipe, do not forget to subscribe My Relish Moments. Until next time, stay safe.